Good morning, children. I hope you all are busy in reading and writing now. Today, we are going to continue the remaining part of the lesson of the Abby and her snail. In the last class, we have discussed what is snail and who were the characters in the lesson. No one knew how Mr. Sticky got into the fish tank. Then Abby was too much fond of the snail, and then they thought, oh, it's looking little bit fungus, so let us clean it. Then they both started to clean it. This much was the lesson, and then Abby went to school remembering about the snail. Abby's name was Abigail. Here we can see the name of the Abby is Abigail. Okay, and then what happened? They trimmed the new pieces of pondweed. They cleaned it down to size, from upper to downside, and scrubbed the archway. What is archway? I am going to show you. What is archway? This is called archway. The stone type is called as archway. And the filter tube, Mom poured new water into the tank. They both cleaned the pondweed and then poured new water to the tank. Then Abby did not find the Sticky. So she asked, where is Mr. Sticky? On the side, Mom told. Mom told, it is on the side. She was busy concentrating on water. If Abby was searching a snail, but her mother was busy putting water. Don't worry, I was careful. Abby's mother told, don't worry, I was careful. Abby looked on all sides of the tank. There was no sign of the water snail. He is probably in the gravel den. Mom said, come, let us get this finished. Mom told, let us finish this. I have got work to do. She plopped the fish back in the clean water where they swam round and round looking puzzled. That evening, Abby went up to her bedroom. Abby went up to her bedroom. Abby went up to her bedroom to check the tank. The water had settled and looked lovely and clear, but there was no sign of Mr. Sticky. So she checked the tank, but she did not find Mr. Sticky. She lay on her bed and did some exercises. She slept and she did some exercises. Stretching out. How? By stretching out her legs and feet and pointing her toes. Stretching was good for your muscles. Who told this? One of the model in the TV. Stretching is good for muscles was said by a model on the TV. And she looked enormous. Enormous means very attractive. When Abby had finished, she kneeled down to have another look in the tank, but there was still no sign of Mr. Sticky. She went downstairs. Abby searched in the tank, where is the Sticky? But she didn't find, so she went to her mother downstairs. Her mom was in the study surrounded by papers. She had her glasses on and her hair was all over the place where she had been running her hands through it. So when Abby went to her mother's room, her mother was fully surrounded with papers because she was working. She had her glasses on and her hair was all over the place where she had been running her hands through it. That means her spec was on her head and her hands were on her hair, scrubbing or making always the hair in a proper way. She looked impatient. Her mother was looking impatient because she was little bit busy in her work. When she saw Abby in the doorway means Hostilalli, Bagila, Dvaradalli, Abby was standing and even more impatient when she heard the bad news. Mom was busy in working when Abby came and told, I am not finding the sticky. So Abby's mother got too much angry. She became impatient. He will turn up. That was all she said. He'll turn up. Go. Now off to bed. Abby, I have got masses of work to catch up on. That means I have a lot of work to do. Now you go off from the room. Abby felt her face got hot and red. That becomes hot and red when you are angry. It always happened when she was angry or upset. Whenever children get angry, their face become red. Okay. You have hoovered him up, haven't you? She said. You were in such a rush. You have hoovered him up. That means she told, you have removed it with a vacuum cleaner in a rush. Rush means in a fast way. Avasaradinda anta heltivalla. So aa thara Abby told her mother, you have hoovered him up. Then mother told, no, I haven't. I was very careful, but he is extremely small. What's wrong with being small? Abby told. Nothing at all, but it makes things hard to find. When small things are there, no, we feel difficulty to find them or notice, Abby said and ran from the room. So Abby told, if the things are small, what is the difficulty? Then the door to the bedroom opened and the mom's face appeared around the crack. When Abby went to the room, then her mother felt a little bit worried and then she went to her room. Abby tried to ignore her. When Abby's mother came to her bedroom, Abby ignored. Nodi nodlardange ಹೊರಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾಳೆ Abby. But it was hard when she walked over to the bed. When Abby's mother went to Abby's bed, it was hard. ಅಂದರೆ ಹೊರಳಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾಳೆ ಅವಳು. And sat next to her. She was holding her glasses in her hand. She waved them at Abby. So she was having her glasses in her hand. Glasses means specs. What Abby's mother was wearing here? Yes, this specs. Those are called as specs. So she was wearing the specs and she took in her hand and waved them. Wave means allarsodu. Kai olaga specs idkondu algarsa. These are my new pair, she said. Extra powerful for snail hunting. She smiled at Abby. Abby tried not to smile back. So Abby nodi aur mummy nagtare by holding the specs. But Abby did not smile. Then Abby's mother told, and I have got a magnifying glass. What is magnifying glass? Magnifying glass is this. This is called as magnifying glass. Abby suddenly remembered and rushed off it to find it, to search where is the magnifying glass. They sat beside each other on the floor. ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ್ತಾರೆ. On their knees, they shuffled around the tank. They searched. Shuffled means exchange. She moved there and she moved this side. They both shuffled around the tank, peering into the corners among the big pebbles at the gravel and the pondweed. They searched under the pebbles, gravels and the whole the pondweed. Aha! Mom said. Mom suddenly cried. That means mom said, aha! What, Abby? What? Abby moved her magnifying glass to where her mom was pointing. When mom said, aha, then Abby thought, oh, my mom has found the sticky. So they're tucked in the curve of the archway. What is archway? Yes, where the fish was entering and exiting. That is archway. Perfectly hidden against the dark stone sat Mr. Sticky. So they found where? Under the dark stone. Perfectly hidden. Muchkondittu. Hidden means perfectly muchkondittu against the dark stone. Dark stone na hinde. Sat Mr. Sticky and right next to him was another water snail, even smaller than him. So when she found a snail and she found one more small snail, Mrs. Sticky, that was Mr. Sticky, this was Mrs. Sticky. So it is its wife. Okay. Abby breathed. But where did she come from? Abby breathed. What is this? One more sticky. But where did she come from? I am beginning to suspect the pondweed. Don't we think? So mom told, I am beginning to suspect. I am getting doubt. It may be from the pondweed. They both laughed and climbed into Abby's bed together. They both climbed the bed. Ibru bed ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂರ್ತಾರೆ. Cuddling down under the duvet. It was a cozy but a bit of squeeze. So there was a bed. They both went on the bed. Budge up, mom said. ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಂತ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Giving Abby a push with her bottom. ಕಾಲಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ, ಒತ್ತತಾವೆ. I can't. I am already on the edge. ನಂಗೆ ಸರಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಮೊದಲೇ ತುದಿಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ Abby. My goodness, you have grown then. When did that happen? So, ನೀನು ದೊಡ್ಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀಗ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಯ್ತಿದು? You could have put an elephant in there last time we did this. So, she told, ನೀ ಆನೆ ಹಂಗಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀಗ, ಆನೆಯ ಜಾಗದಾಗ ನೀನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. You could have put an elephant in here last time we did this. Abby put her head on her mom's chest and smiled. This is written by Mo Macaulay. Yes. Was it interesting? Yes. The pet animal, Mrs. Sticky, came now. There was only Mr. Sticky, but one more Mrs. Sticky came. How did you get the Mrs. Sticky? Yes, they are very small. In the rainy season, now we can see here and there the stickies. Yes, so same, they both found a sticky in the pondweed. But when we see it, we feel little bit itching type of irritation in the while seeing the snail. But it is very delicate, very soft. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye. Keep watching. Be safe.